Are you ready to discover 20 of the most unique and coolest tools you've never seen before? From mind-blowing Amazon gadgets to next-level DIY tools, we've gathered the most insanely useful inventions that are changing the game in 2025. Whether you're into woodworking tools, garage gadgets, or everyday carry gear, this list will blow your mind. Don't miss out. These are the coolest tools on Amazon right now that you probably didn't even know existed. Without further ado, let's get started. Maintaining proper tire and equipment pressure on the go is essential for safety and convenience. The SunJoe Air Compressor offers a powerful, portable solution that fits right in your hand, perfect for use at the park, on the road, or anywhere power is limited. This 24-volt cordless air compressor features advanced lithium-ion battery technology for reliable performance and no-fade power. With a digital display, you can easily set your desired PSI, and the compressor automatically stops once the preset pressure is reached. Ideal for bike tires, pool floats, or sports balls, it recharges quickly and stores compactly. When the air is low, pump it up and go with Joe. When working with thin steel sheets, pipes, or profiles, having the right blade ensures fast and efficient results. The Wolfcraft Reciprocating saw blade is specially designed for quick cuts in sheet steel ranging from 1.5 to 4 millimeters thick. This set includes 2 saber saw blades with a 130 millimeter working length featuring a milled and serrated tooth shape for enhanced cutting performance. With a broad saw receptacle, these blades offer fast installation and enable rapid progress when used in conjunction with cutting oil. Perfect for home projects and hobby applications, they are a powerful addition to your toolkit for tackling various metal cutting tasks with precision. Achieving professional quality wall textures quickly and efficiently requires a reliable spray tool designed for precision and control. Meet the MARSHALLTOWN wall-board tools, professional hopper guns that are built for performance, offering fast and consistent texture application. The Spray Pro Hopper Gun and Texture Pro 200 are ideal for applying light, medium, and heavy textures, including semi-rough, knockdown, and orange peel finishes. With 3 orifice sizes, 5/16 inch for heavy texture, 1/4 inch for coarse to medium, and 3/16 inch for light textures, you can customize your application with ease. The large 2-gallon hopper features a built-in handle, flow control valve, trigger adjustment, and air-actuated start-stop control for smooth, efficient operation on any project. Reliable lighting is essential for working in dark spaces, navigating during power outages, or enhancing visibility outdoors. The Joe Cordless LED Light delivers powerful, versatile illumination with a maximum output of 1,500 lumens and a beam distance of up to 700 yards. Designed with a 90-degree pivot head and belt hook, it offers hands-free convenience for any task. Compatible with the 24-volt IonMax system, it includes a 2.0 ampere-hour battery and charger, offering up to 70 hours of runtime. With 5 light modes: spotlight, floodlight high and low, combined light, and a warning signal. This flashlight is ideal for the workshop, job site, camping, or emergency use. Precision cutting in tight spaces demands a tool that delivers accuracy, power, and ease of control. Introducing the Scheppach Plunge Saw, a compact and lightweight solution designed for one-hand use, offering excellent handling and control. Equipped with a powerful 600-watt motor, it provides smooth and precise plunge cutting through plaster, aluminum sections, and steel tubes. The laser guidance system ensures high cutting precision, while the efficient dust extraction maintains a clean work area. This saw includes 3 blades for various applications, making it a versatile addition to any toolbox. Paired with a guide rail, it delivers straight professional-grade cuts with every pass. Installing fiber cement or engineered wood lap siding accurately and efficiently often requires more than 2 hands, unless you have the right tool. The Malco SGA siding gauge is a game changer, allowing one person to hang siding alone in a fraction of the time. Made from durable aluminum, these gauges clamp securely to the top course and ensure consistent level installation without the need for repeated measuring or marking. They are adjustable for siding reveals from 4 to 8 inches and accommodate thicknesses from 5/16 to 5/8 inch. With unique gripping pads, the gauges support up to 12T fiber cement or 16T engineered wood without damaging primed material. Creating precise holes in irrigation tubing is essential for efficient water distribution and successful installation of drip emitters and connectors. The Al-Magor Universal Punch-Up 3 tool is expertly designed to simplify this task with a high-quality 3mm punch tip that ensures accuracy and long life. This drip irrigation hole punch tool features a spiral operation for effortless use on sprinkler irrigation tubes and pipes from 16 to 32 millimeters. It creates clean, accurate 3mm holes for installing drippers, micro sprayers, and connectors, ensuring watertight connections and optimal performance. Ideal for customizing irrigation layouts, this tool helps promote healthier plant growth and water conservation with precise, controlled watering. Accurately locating studs is crucial for secure mounting in construction, but many electronic stud finders can be unreliable. The Kreg magnetic stud finder offers a fast, easy, and dependable solution by detecting nails and screws holding drywall to wood or metal studs through powerful magnets. It can hang hands-free on the wall, allowing you to work with both hands while it continuously indicates stud locations. Simply scan in 24-inch sweeps, and when the magnet pulls, a stud is detected. The built-in bubble level helps align for precise marking. Its laser mark projects a laser line for easy stud marking, and the centered marking notch ensures accurate drilling without needing batteries. Keeping tires and inflatables properly inflated is essential for safety, efficiency, and convenience at home. The Slime Garage Air Station delivers powerful air on demand with its 120-volt power, making it perfect for garage outlets. Designed for versatility, it quickly inflates cars, trucks, bikes, motorcycles, scooters, lawn equipment, trailers, toys, and more. Its total reach of 20 feet, thanks to an extra long coil hose, allows easy access even into your driveway. The easy read dial display measures from 0 to 60 psi for accurate inflation, while the Quick Connect air hose ensures a fast, secure tire connection. With wall mount capability, super compact size, and built-in air adapter storage, it offers efficient performance and tidy storage. Keeping essential tools within easy reach can significantly boost work efficiency and reduce time wasted on repetitive trips to the toolbox. The UUP magnetic tool belt is designed to make every job more organized and efficient. Featuring 26 pockets, this heavy-duty tool pouch offers ample storage for nails, hammers, tape measures, and more. Its magnet holster includes powerful magnets on the hammer holder and pouches to securely hold screws and small metal parts. The adjustable and detachable belt fits waist sizes from 31 to 48 inches and includes a quick fasten and release buckle. Built with high-quality Oxford fabric, metal rivets, and breathable padding, it ensures long-lasting comfort and durability. Proper lighting is essential for precision, safety, and efficiency during repairs, emergencies, or detailed tasks. Meet the HOTLIGH Work Light, a rechargeable, high-performance lighting solution featuring a powerful 5,000 mAh battery, 1,200 lumens output, and a magnetic flashlight with a 360-degree rotating foldable design. It offers 3 lighting modes: cold light bar, warm light bar, and a front spotlight for adaptable illumination. The front spotlight includes magnetic functionality and stepless brightness adjustment with a long press button. Its 180 degrees of horizontal rotation and the octalucent strip design ensures visibility in any setting. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy with a CNC machined unibody and strong magnetic stone base, this light is solid, durable, versatile, and perfect for both professionals and DIY users. Powerful multi-tools are essential for tackling a wide range of demanding tasks efficiently and precisely. The BULLTEC Power introduces the next evolution in powered multi-tools with its advanced brushless 24-volt motor, making it the most powerful in its class. Featuring the innovative Every Grip Chuck, it securely fits tool bits from 0.6 to 6 millimeters, making it compatible with nearly every accessory. From drilling, sanding, polishing, carving, engraving, cutting, grinding, to finishing hard materials, this tool does it all. The intuitive digital display ensures easy control, while the snap and lock system provides convenience and safety. With nylon brush attachments, auto-cleaning, waxing, and tile refreshing are effortless, saving both time and effort. To achieve smooth, efficient, and mess-free painting results, the right accessories can make all the difference. The Wagner FLEXiO accessories are designed to maximize the performance of your Wagner FLEXiO and Control Series sprayers, helping you complete projects faster and with professional quality results. The eye spray nozzle is ideal for broad interior and exterior surfaces, while the detail nozzle ensures fine finishing on cabinets, trim, and more. The control nozzle is perfect for spraying thinner materials like stains, sealers, and urethanes. Use the HVLP extension for high walls, ceilings, and decking. Spray shelters protect your workspace. Replacement filters boost sprayer longevity, and the turntable simplifies spraying small items. Great for quick color changes and easy cleanup. Precise tire inflation demands a reliable and user-friendly pump connection. The Lezyne ABS 1 Pro chuck is a premium chuck engineered for durability and performance. Constructed from high-strength aluminum and composite matrix materials, it boasts a red anodized finish and a 90-degree design for improved accessibility. Its robust aluminum swivel ensures ultra-smooth articulation during use. The flippable thread on design provides secure engagement on both Presta and Schrader valves. For Presta, simply thread on, inflate, and press the ABS button to release hose pressure for easy removal. On Schrader valves, use the ABS button to fine-tune tire pressure. An integrated Presta valve core wrench allows easy core tightening and removal, making this a complete inflation solution. Precise drilling across wood, metal, and plastic requires a tool that combines power, control, and versatility. The WEN Variable Speed Drill Press delivers top-tier performance without breaking your budget. Featuring a 12-inch swing and a powerful motor, this drill press offers variable speed settings from 530 to 3,100 RPM, allowing you to match the speed to your material with ease. An onboard digital readout and convenient adjustment lever ensure effortless speed changes. The adjustable work table extends and bevels for flexible positioning. With a built-in work light and laser guide, you'll achieve maximum accuracy. Whether drilling through wood or solid cast iron, this tool offers rugged performance for every project. Clogged drains can disrupt daily routines and are often difficult to clean with basic tools. Introducing the MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake, a powerful and eco-friendly solution for unblocking sinks, kitchen basins, showers, and bathtubs with pipe diameters between 1.5 and 3 inches. This solid drain auger is ideal for real DIYers, featuring a flexible spiral that smoothly navigates 180-degree bends and reaches deep blockages with ease. The drum includes a drill attachment for effortless rotation and an auto-feed function that enhances efficiency. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This environmentally safe unblocking tool is built for reliable, long-term performance in home plumbing tasks. Precise and efficient wire stripping is essential for electrical work and cable preparation. The LAOA automatic wire stripper is designed with split jaws and self-adjusting functionality to strip single and multi-strand wires effortlessly, featuring a turn knob to strengthen the stripping force and a set-length baffle to ensure consistent stripping length. It offers precise control. Made from durable chrome vanadium alloy with a carbon steel cutting edge and ergonomic TPR handles, this tool is comfortable for extended use. It also includes an automatic wire cutter and is ideal for stripping sheathed core wires, flat cables, network cables, and insulated terminal crimping, making it a versatile choice for professionals and DIYers alike. Accurate and durable metal cutting tools are crucial for professional and DIY sheet metal work. The Klein Tools metal shears come in 3 styles: left, right, and straight cutting, offering versatility for any project. Their serrated forged blades meet ASME B 107.16M performance standards and cut up to 18-gauge cold-rolled steel and 22-gauge stainless steel with ease. Featuring a unique integrated wire cutter, these shears prevent damage to blades when cutting duct or suspension wire. The spring action lock enables convenient one-handed operation, while the color-coded contoured grips ensure comfort during extended use. Hardened, sturdy handles enhance durability, and a hang hole allows easy storage, making these shears a reliable choice for metalwork. Precise bending of pipes is essential for plumbing, automotive, and home improvement projects. The DURATECH tube bender is designed for 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch copper, brass, aluminum, and thin steel pipes. Made from lightweight aluminum, it offers strength and durability with a corrosion-resistant gray powder coating. Calibrated markings allow accurate left hand, right hand, and offset bends up to 90 degrees, ensuring precise customization and quick measurement. Its ergonomic handles provide a comfortable, sturdy grip for extended use. This portable and easy-to-operate tool features high precision and premium machining quality, making it versatile and reliable for plumbing, heating, automotive repair, and various DIY projects. Effortless and precise cutting is essential for efficient pruning and garden maintenance. The Milwaukee fixed pruning saw features a 14-inch blade designed for the fastest, cleanest cuts on branches up to 8 inches thick. Its ultra-sharp hardened teeth provide durability and stay sharper longer, ensuring consistent performance. This saw is the most durable folding saw available, combining strength with precision. It also includes a reversible scabbard for convenient carrying on either side of the body and a secondary blade position for versatile use. Ideal for gardeners and landscapers, this pruning saw delivers reliable, effortless cutting with long-lasting sharpness. Thanks for watching our roundup of the 20 unique and coolest tools you've never seen before. Which tool was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more unique and coolest tool finds every week.